In this short module, I'll show you how to wire a tab view into the app. We'll show this tab view once a user is logged on successfully. In subsequent modules, we'll flesh out the views for both of these tabs. I'll show you how to add a label for each tab, how to control which tab is selected, and how to set icon images on your tabs. Lastly, we'll hook a function onto the onPress event to handle what happens when a user selects a tab. Currently in our index file, which contains the root component for our app, we display a simple view with some text once a user logged in. We want to show a tab view here instead. First, we create a new file for our tab view called appcontainer.js. Instead of typing everything from scratch, I'm rather going to recycle the code from the login component. Let's copy this top part of the file and paste it into appcontainer.js. Let's remove these unnecessary component references. For our class name, we type appcontainer. We'll set some state later on, so we remove this login specific variable, but keep the default state object around. We need to close off this render function and the class. We'll get back to the render function soon. Lastly, we export the appcontainer class from this module. From our index file, we copy the view code we are currently rendering when a user is logged in, and paste it into the render function of the appcontainer component. Also from the index file, we copy the stylesheet definition and paste it into our appcontainer file. Because we've used the stylesheet API, we need to remember to reference it too. Let's get rid of this unused property. I just want to change the text that we display over here so that we can be 100% sure that it's the new view that displays. We go back to the index file, duplicate this require for login, and require our new appcontainer component. In the render function, we remove this old view code and reference the appcontainer instead. When I save that, great! Our new component is being displayed.